In this video, I will show you an inexpensive and creative way to store and organize your seeds. I will also reveal the very easy idea to digitally catalog your seed collection that you can refer to with just one click. I love going through my seed packets. I love the beautiful illustrations some of them have, remembering the ones I was gifted and remembering the beautiful flowers I grew with them last year. So the idea of putting them in a Ziploc bag or plastic box was unappealing to me. As an homage to my seed collection, I decided to store them as I would my favorite memories, in a photo album. I found these inexpensive 48-paged photo albums at Dollar Tree. You usually find them hanging near the photo frame section. You can use any kind you have, but I was not a fan of albums with rigid covers for storing seeds, like this one I already had. I kept them in this colorful and vivid upcycled shipping box I got from an old subscription service. Over 2 years, I was able to find them in these rainbow colors. You can always switch out the covers of the albums to anything you like. To categorize them, I printed out labels from my label maker. My preferred categories are veggies, herbs, perennials, annual flowers, peppers, and tomatoes. You can always alphabetize them too, if you prefer that. One very important factor for this system of seed storage or any other seed storage system used is that you want to make sure that once your seed packets are open, they don't spill out. I always keep a masking tape in the box. The moment I open a seed packet that cannot be securely sealed, I tear some tape with my hands. I stick them on something a couple of times to weaken the glue and then use it to seal the packet. This has worked great for me to seal and preserve the freshness of the seeds. Each album has 48 pages, which is more than enough for my small garden. Some albums like the veggie ones might get bulky because of larger seeds like peas or corn, but I don't mind. You can always bind them with rubber bands if you wish. If you collect seeds from your own garden, then you can always use envelopes to store your seeds. You can also leave notes to refer to for the next growing season. This system can be easily expanded by buying more albums, but I plan to first use the seeds I have rather than keep buying them. But anyone gardening for any length of time will know that it's a complete lie. We always buy way more seeds than we can logically use. I absolutely love this system. I love opening the box in the springtime after a cold winter, taking out the albums, flipping through them like my very own garden adventure diary or my very own coffee table book. And it just cost under $10 to organize. For most of my garden planning, I use my digital catalog of seeds on Pinterest. It is really easy to set up, and once you have it down, you can view your seed collection with just one click. Most of my seed buying is done online on my laptop, so I have the Pinterest Save button extension on Chrome. After installing it, anytime I buy a seed, I remember to add the image in the seed collection board. Now, whenever I want to refer to it, I just go to the URL where my seed board is saved. I'm usually logged on to Pinterest all the time, so this system works great for me. If you buy seeds on your phone, you can use the Pinterest app and use the share button to add it to your chosen board on the app. When I buy a seed packet from a store, I remember to take a photo of it and share the photo to my Pinterest seed board. This digital system will keep all your seeds online for you to refer to, and with just one click I can open the online page and read all the instructions without referring to my actual seed packets. I have in fact organized my entire garden using Pinterest boards. I will make a detailed video about it soon, so please subscribe if you are interested. Thank you for watching my video. If this video gave you any value, please like and subscribe.